Hey y'all, today we're going to cook some shrimp Pileau and some fried catfish. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, we got our catfish fillets cut in the nuggets. We're going to pour in some buttermilk. This buttermilk will help take a lot of the fishy taste out of the catfish. But we're also going to add some Cajun seasoning in there. And we're going to mix it up well and get it all incorporated. Now while the catfish is marinating, we're going to take some thick cut bacon. We're going to put it in a pot that's hot and ready to go. And we're going to render that bacon down and cook it till it's crispy. Now when our bacon is rendered down and crispy, I'm going to add in 1 Vidalia onion. When the onion is cooked almost clear, I'm going to add in 1 green bell pepper. Once your bell pepper's been cooking for a minute or two, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of garlic, and I add it right now so I don't risk burning it. Now it's been about a minute since we added our garlic. We're going to go ahead and add in our smoked sausage. I like to use a Cajun style smoked sausage or a spicy smoked sausage as a nice kick to it. And when our sausage is starting to brown good, I'm going to add a 32-ounce container of chicken broth, and I'm going to start scraping the bottom of that pot to stir up all the stick and all that flavor off the bottom of that pot. And following the chicken broth, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now when our water's coming up to a boil, go ahead and throw in some more Cajun seasoning, add as much as you like. Make sure to taste it as you season it. You can get it exactly how you like it. And when you do get it how you like it, go ahead and throw in them shrimp, and we're going to boil them for a minute or two. Now, once your shrimp's been boiling for a minute or two, we're going to go ahead and add in our seasoned yellow rice. The seasoning here will add a lot of salt to it, and that's why I haven't added any salt outside of that Cajun seasoning. Now you're going to want to let your rice simmer on a medium heat with the lid off for a few minutes. You're going to want to stir it every now and then to keep it from sticking. But whenever you see that rice starting to come to the top, go ahead, push it one more time to make sure it doesn't stick. And we're going to go ahead and put the lid on it, cut the heat down to low, and we're going to let it simmer and steam for about 30 minutes. Now while Pileau's over there doing its thing, we're going to get our catfish breaded in some seasoned cornmeal. And we're going to put it in our skillet with some oil heated up to about 350 degrees. We're going to deep fry these catfish nuggets. About 4 to 5 minutes will be all it takes. About halfway through, about 2.5 minutes into the cook, we're going to flip them to make sure they cook evenly. And you want to cook them till they're a nice golden brown color, and you don't want to overcook them. And when your catfish is fried to that nice golden brown color, just go ahead, set it to the side on a rack, on a paper towel, just to let it sit and let that grease drain. Alright, so we're finishing up our last batch of catfish. It's time to go check the Pileau. Man, I'm telling you, it don't get no better than this right here, y'all. This is some good stuff. And here we are with the finished product. We got our shrimp Pileau, we got our catfish nuggets fried crispy, and we got a side of some seasoned green beans. Go ahead and give this dish a try. I guarantee you, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching.